Ever heard of TransferGo? TransferGo is an international money transfer company offering a wide range of affordable money transfer services. They are effective and also very efficient. TransferGo is used by over 4 million users. With TransferGo, you can now send Naira to your Nigerian bank accounts from the EU and the UK. They have one of the best exchange rates on the market and also guarantee quick and easy transfers to your desired destination. They operate on fixed currency rates, so the money you send is the exact same amount that will reflect in the destination you decide. One great thing about them is that they have no hidden charges and also operate on a 24/7 delivery to the desired account in Nigeria. Transactions are also guaranteed to arrive at the recipient account just 30 minutes after you make the transaction. And this could either be to their Naira or US dollar bank accounts. And guess what? They also offer US dollar cash pickups. Now this is so much better than the old ways of doing things. This is the new and improved way to send money back home to family and friends. One of the best things with TransferGo right now is their referral program. Now, TransferGo is not just a money transfer company. It also rewards its loyal customers with its referral program. Now, all you have to do to qualify for this is to send an invite link to your friends, and you are guaranteed an unlimited £22 reward each time your friend signs up with your invite link and sends £100 between two different currencies in the first 6 months. Now, how great is that? What are you waiting for? Do not miss out on this amazing opportunity to earn a few bucks on the side with TransferGo using their referral program. Click on the link in the description box below, download the app, and thank you later.